Alright, mid-afternoon has arrived as we continue winding down the last weekend of April. April 26th, 2025. CN Hayes here with the ATSF Railfan 1526 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin with another video lined up for you. Northbound on the way, check them out on the roads. We'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Yep, sure enough, S763 by ACC, rebuild of 305. He decides to come back. How about that? S763! So we'll head up to Bunbo, Alberta, Canada, see what our route debut is. GPS Tier 4! 3287! Decides to return yet again. Ha ha ha! That was the one that led on the G875 a week ago. How about that? Amazing. What a catch, and that is definitely a highlight. So that's going to do it for the S763 81 of the 26th, and we'll do it for the SD75 IACC rebuild of the new 8305 and the rear DPU of the 3287. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, folks. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Have a great afternoon. See you next time. And I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.